Hi guys! Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. My name is Elena and in today's video I would like to show you how I wear my silk scarf as a necklace. I'm going to use the same silk scarf to create 3 different looks. Let's get started! If you're new to my channel, consider to subscribe and let me know in the comments down below what kind of video tutorials about scarf you would like to see. For this tutorial, we are going to use this beautiful turquoise scarf Hermes. First, we need to fold it as a band, just like this. This band we are going to use for all 3 styles. For the first look, we place our band on the neck, twist ends twice and tie a scarf behind. Hide the knot. Smooth everything out, et voila! Our look is ready. By the way, it looks very chic with a turtleneck. For our next look, we need to make a knot in the middle of our band. We tie the ends behind, smooth everything, et voila, we are ready to go. We can wear the necklace tied to the neck or wear it a little bit loose. For the last look, we fold our band in half, put our wrist in the loop and twist, 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 making some kind of cord. Now we place our cord on the neck and form a knot. Just like this. Looks very romantic. What do you think? If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and see you soon guys. Bye!